Let's get something straight. You think you need a rock star who can recite Kubernetes, Kafka, and every shiny framework. But that checklist a mile long is your first hire mistake. The perfect resume can build a gilded cage. Beautiful, useless when things go wrong. Hire right, skyscraper that scales. Hire wrong, a shack on a sinkhole. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you clear, compliant steps to assess candidates and insider tips specific to microservices architects. You'll learn what the role actually does, must-have skills versus nice-to-haves, how to test soft skills, where pros hide, and the tools that keep hiring fair. Ready? Let's start with what this role contributes. Quick check. Are you hiring to check a box or to solve a core business problem? If it's the latter, this role matters. Big time. Now, the role. Chapter 1. What a microservices architect actually does, and why hiring the right person saves time, money, and morale. A microservices architect is not just a senior developer with a fancier title. They are a strategist, a diplomat, and a structural engineer for your software systems. They design how services communicate, how failures are handled, and how the system scales. They own reliability, preventing collapses before they happen and owning post-mortems when they do. They spend time with teams, aligning engineering, product, and ops, not just writing code. A bad hire costs more than salary, lost time, demoralized engineers, missed opportunities. The right architect is a well-oiled engine. The wrong one leaves a pile of parts. So how do you find the former? Start with honesty about what you actually need. Next, concrete skills, the non-negotiables. Think of hard skills as tools in their belt. Saga pattern, API gateway, circuit breakers for resilience, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, GCP, solid experience in at least one major language, Java or Python, nice-to-haves, infrastructure as code, Terraform or Ansible, event-driven architectures, Kafka or RabbitMQ experience, database design, SQL and NoSQL knowledge. More than tools, they need systems thinking and trade-off reasoning. But tools don't make the architect. Soft skills do. Let's test for them. Look for communication, adaptability, leadership, humility, and methodical problem solving. Ask for stories. Example. Describe a time you got buy-in for a major architectural change from a skeptical team. Scenario. 2 senior devs disagree on a technology. Walk me through how you'd mediate that. Listen for questions they ask. That's diagnostic skill in action. Where to look. Job boards get volume but not the best talent. Top source #1, employee referrals. Your engineers know other builders. Top source #2, LinkedIn, hunt beyond titles. Look for contributors and active posts about distributed systems. Top source #3, niche communities. GitHub, Stack Overflow, Slack, Discord technical channels. Use an ATS to stay organized, but disable filters that auto-reject unconventional profiles. Use structured interview scorecards with clear rating scales for hard skills, soft skills, and culture fit. Skip abstract whiteboard puzzles. Give a practical design brief that mirrors real work. Stress fairness. Ask job-related questions only. Ask all candidates the same core questions, and document decisions. Now let's walk a quick case study to make this real. Case: growing e-commerce with a monolith that collapses on peak traffic. Where do you start? Weak answer: immediate tech dump. Kubernetes, Spring Boot, service mesh. Strong answer: lots of questions. Pain points: team skill set, timeline, budget. Then a phased plan. Judge how they break the problem down, trade-offs, monitoring plan, and how they'll validate success. Common mistake: rushing and being dazzled by pedigree. Working at a big tech firm doesn't prove system ownership. Ask for examples of scope and impact. Avoid personal questions. Instead of "do you have kids?" ask, "what work schedule enables your best contribution?" Compliant phrasing: describe the best team you've been part of. What made it effective? Or, what technical challenges do you want next? Final checklist. Prioritize systems thinking over buzzwords, use structured scorecards, practical design exercises, and diverse interview panels. If this helped, subscribe for more hiring playbooks, and if you need help now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring. Stop chasing shiny resumes. Find a real builder who can design the skyscraper and fix the plumbing on the 50th floor. Thanks for watching.